Hello viewer, if your YouTube recommended video disappeared problem, let's see how to fix YouTube recommended video not showing. Step 1. Open your YouTube app. Go to your YouTube profile from the lower right corner. Now click on YouTube setting from the top right corner. Now click on General. Now turn off restricted mode. Now go back, scroll down, go to Manage All History. Now click on Control. Now turn on YouTube Watch History. Now go back to your home screen. Now tap and hold on your YouTube app. Click on I button. Now scroll down. Go to YouTube storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from YouTube app. Now go back to your home screen. Now open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search YouTube app. Now update your YouTube app. So follow this step to fix YouTube recommended video disappeared problem or not showing problem.